नमस्सर्वेभ्यः सुस्वागतं। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं करोमि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओम्। ॐ तत्सत्। अद्य तु क्रैस्तमतीयानां पुण्यदिनमस्ति। तु तत् सन्दर्भे सर्वेषां हार्दं शुभाशयान् व्याहरन् अहम् अद्य प्रारम्भं करोमि। वयं कुत्र स्मः? षष्ठपाठे काव्यकथा इत्यस्मिन् भागे स्मः। तत्पूर्वम् अपि च मया वक्तव्यमस्ति। अस्मिन् गणे बहवः जनाः, बहवः विद्यार्थिनः संस्कृतभारत्याः कृते धनसहायं कृत्वा बहु उत्तमकार्यं कृतवन्तः। बहु सन्तोषस्य विषयः। अत्यधिक संख्याकाः प्रतिस्पन्दनं दत्वा भागं वहन्तः अत्र समर्पणं कृतवन्तः इति वयं बहु धन्याः स्मः। धन्यवादाः. So thank you very much for your hearty contribution, and I am particularly moved by how you have opened your heart and purses to help this cause of this wonderful language through Sanskrit Bharati. Thank you very much. I appreciate sincerely. A significant number of you I notice are students from Mumbai and Maharashtra area also, and all of you have been extremely kind to our organization here, and I highly appreciate that. Thanks for joining forces with us. Okay, thank you. So, Kavya Katha. So I will invite Anup Varya, and let's go with the two gentlemen today. Huh? Anup Varya and perhaps Karthikeyan Varya can stand by. Anup Varya can start off reading for us. Anup Desai Varya, if you can lead the reading for us of one paragraph starting from Kavya Katha.
Okay. Kavya Katha.
एकनिमिषम्। अत्र एकस्मिन् अत्र एतद् लिखितमस्ति किल, तदपि पठतु कृपया।
शिक्षा परीक्षायाः आदिमेषु पञ्चसु पाठेषु शिशुपालवध काव्यस्य काव्यस्य कथां वयं ज्ञातवन्तः। इतः परं किरातार्जुनीय काव्यस्य कथां पश्यामः।
अत्र किम् उक्तमस्ति? अस्मिन् पुस्तके 10 अध्यायाः सन्ति किल। तु प्रथमपञ्चसु तु शिशुपालवधकथायाः काव्यस्य साक्षात् काव्यस्य संक्षेपकथा वयं पठितवन्तः। तु इदानीं शिष्टपञ्चसु पाठेषु अद्य आरभ्य 10 पर्यन्तं तु किरातार्जुनीयम् इत्यस्मिन् कथायाः संक्षेपरूपं वयं पश्यामः। तत्र किम् उक्तमस्ति इति ज्ञास्यामः। तदेव उक्तमस्ति। अस्तु वर्य, पठतु।
किरातार्जुनीयं धर्मराजाय द्रौपद्या उपदेशः।
सम्यक्। सो धर्मराजाय, फॉर द सेक ऑफ धर्मराजा, रामाय धर्मराजाय. दिस राजन शब्द is a nakaranta declension, which is quite difficult one, but once you make it a samasta pada like Maharaja, Dharmaraja, whatever, okay, then it will become a simple pada like akaranta pullinga Rama shabda. So it declines like Rama after that. Very easy. Dharmarajaya. Okay. Draupadyaha, of Draupadi. Okay, of Draupadi. Okay. Upadeshaha. So her appeal and directive and advice you can take in that sense. So let's see what Draupadi has to tell Dharmaraja as the first opening portion of this Kiratarjuniyam. So as you know, Kiratarjuniyam has Arjuna's name and Kirata's name. So it is something related to some Kiratas, as you know, is Gandharva, all those, one of those is Kiratas. Okay, so something related to Kirata and Arjuna. So clearly you will see the story unfold. Continue, Mahodaya.
महाभारतस्य कथा प्रसिद्धः
Prasiddha. Okay.
प्रसिद्धः
Of the Mahabharatam, the Mahabharatasya Katha, the story of Mahabharata is famous. Prasiddha. Strilinga asti tata prasiddha iti. Katha prasiddha iti. Visheshana visheshya bhavah prathama vibhaktau ekavachane strilinge dvau api stah. Astu. Agre.
कौरव पांडवयो धूर्तं समाप्तं
Dyutam.
द्यूतं द्यूतं समाप्तं
Samaptam. Kaurava Pandavayoho. So Kauravaha Pandavaha. Kaurava Pandavayoho. Tayoho. Dvivachane Shashti Dvivachane. Evam. Astu va? Yadyapi tatra Kauravaha Bhavaha Santi Pandavaha Bhavaha Santi Atra tu Dvivachane Suchana Dattam Asti. Kauravanam Pandavanam iti द्वन्द्वं कुर्मः चेत् कौरव पाण्डवानाम् इत्येव बहुवचने एव भवति अत्र एकवचनं स्वीकृत्य तयोः इति पाण्डवयोः इति द्यूतं क्रीडा वयं जानीमः द्यूतक्रीडा अत्र चित्रणे दत्तमस्ति किल पगडे इति कन्नडे अस्ति हिन्दी भाषायां किं नाम इति न जानामि भगिनी चतुरङ्ग which one?
The game of dice, I think.
Dice. Yes. It is one of the many games of dice, but just game of dice is not giving sufficient explanation. So this has got a specific four-way movement, and it's interesting game. Still played. Okay, so that game Dyuta. Okay. But Dyuta generally, you are right. Dyutam is generally a common factor for all games of dice, wherever chance is involved. That's all. Samaptam was finished. So Dyutam Samaptam, the game of dice was completed between them. Continue, sir.
कौरवा जयं प्राप्तवन्तः पाण्डवाः पराजिताः
पराजिताः कौरवाः इत्यत्र लोप विसर्गलोप अस्ति कौरवाः जयं प्राप्तवन्तः बहुवचने अस्ति तत्र पश्यतु प्राप्तवन्तः इति तु कौरवास् विक्टरी दे obtained पाण्डवाः पराजिताः अभवन् इस् अध्याहरण द पाण्डवास् defeat they endured. Continue, sir.
नियमानुसारेण युधिष्ठिरौ अनुजयः सहारण्यं गतवान्
Niyamanusarena, according to the rule of the defeat, basically, Yudhishthiraha Utva. Yudhishthiraha Anujaihi Saha. Anujaihi Karanakaraka Bahuvachana, Tritiya Bahuvachana. With the brothers. Anujaihi Saha Upapada Tritiya. Okay, Anujaihi Saha. Aranyam Savarna Dirgha. Saha Aranyam. Aranyam is a Karmapada. To the forest. Gatavan, he went. Of course, because Saha Upapada is there, still the Kriya Pada applies only to Yudhishthira. So that's why it's in Ekavachana. Kriya Vachaka, not Kriya Pada. Gatavan Abhavat or Asit, something like that. Okay. Continue, sir.
अरण्ये युधिष्ठिरः दुर्योधनस्य राज्यभारक्रमं ग्रातुम् एकं किरातं हस्तिनापुरं प्रति प्रेषितवान्
Aranye Saptami Ekavachana. In the Aranya Rame Tadvat. Okay. Aranye Yudhishthiraha Asmakam Agraja Pandavaha Duryodhanasya of Duryodhana Shashti Ekavachana Rajya Bharakramam. Okay. The nature of rule. Okay. Of the kingdom. See, nature is krama. Okay. Are the procedural aspects. Bhara is the how he takes the weight of the kingdom and conducts it, and Rajya is the kingdom. So Rajya Bharakramam is the nature of his rule. Gnyatum, in order to know. Ekam Kiratam, one Kirata, fellow. One, I don't know how to translate this Kirata. Here they have given it as a hunter. You can take it that way. Okay. So Nishadam, Kiratam, that way. Okay. So Ekam Kiratam, one hunter as a karma. Hastinapuram prati, to Hastinapura. See, Dvikarmaka. Okay. So Kirata is one karma pada, one type of karma pada, and Hastinapura is another type of karma pada. Hastinapura is the target of the Preshana Kriya. Okay. And the person who is Preshita is Kirata. Both are in karma position to the Preshana Kriya. Okay. Notice the Dvikarmaka, how the subtle quality difference is between between the two Kriya pada, two karma padas. Okay. Hastinapura is one type of karma pada to the Preshana Kriya, and Kirata is another type of karma pada. Okay. Eka is just a Visheshana to Kirata. Okay. It is not a specific distinct karma pada. It is an associative karma with Kirata. Okay. Prati, towards Preshitavan. He sent. Yudhishthiraha Preshitavan. Astu. So what Yudhishthira does is he wants to know, okay, we have been sent to the forest, we lost our whatever minimum rights we had to rule a portion. Let's at least see if he's doing a good job. Like that, he sent a spy. In the form of a spy, he sent a forest dweller or a hunter to look at it. Astu Varya, patatu.
Saha Kirato Brahmachari Vesham Dhrutva Gatvan.
So it will be funny to look at this hunter wearing brahmachari vesha, but anyway, interesting. So he takes the dress of a brahmachari, and so saha is visarga lopa, kirato is visarga utva. After that, guna o. Okay, so that hunter brahmachari vesham. So the dress of a brahmachari. Okay, dhrutva, having worn. Gatavan, he went. Okay, continue, sir. Oh, mute ho gaya.
Oh, sorry. Tataha saha vanam pratyagatvan.
Tataha is usually used means after that, like that. Okay, so tataha after that, after having gone there, saha, that fellow, vanam to the forest, karmapada, prati agatavan, pratyagatavan. Okay, so prati agatavan, yan sandhi, pratyagatavan, yakaraha janma swikaroti, pratyagatavan. Return back to Yudhishthira, basically. Continue, sir.
Yudhishtiram niveditvan cha Duryodhano Rajya Sinhasane Sthitaha.
So Yudhishtiram niveditavancha, and he recounted to Yudhishthira. So Yudhishthira is karma of the nivedana kriya, and the karta is obviously the kirata. Okay, kirataha niveditavan iti patitavyam tatra. Duryodhanaha utva. Duryodhanaha
Niveditavan means he is telling, sir. Niveditavan.
Yeah, he conveying. Nivedana means to convey, to tell, basically, in a very simple way. But here Nivedana is in a little decorative way. So, because he is a Bharta who is, telling his master. So, in a Nivedana, Uktavan would be little aprasangika. So, Niveditavan has been used. Okay. So, a little bit more elevation of Yudhishthira. Okay. Rajya Simhasane Sthitaha. Duryodhana is staying in the throne. That means he continues to rule the roost. That kind of thing. Continue, sir.
Tathapi bhavatam vishaye saha bhitaha.
Despite being in the throne, about you, bhavatam vishaye, upon your aspect of you, about you, saha bhitaha, he is having certain fear. He maintains fear. Continue.
Saha niti purvakam rajya shashanam karoti.
He indeed is doing the law administration. Rajya Sashana is the administrating the law of the nation. Okay, so he is doing it according to the nitis. He is not doing any nonsensical thing as far as I could identify. He is ruling fine. Okay, continue.
Sevakana mitrani va pashyati
So he is looking at his karmakaras and not having a friendly attitude towards them. He is not a krura to them. So at least that angle is okay. His weakness, Duryodhana's weakness is Pandavas. Continues.
मित्राणि बन्धुनीव बन्धून स्वामी भावेन च पश्यति.
So this Mitrani is in Dvitiya Bahuchana. So Mitrani as targets, the friends, Bandhun Iva. Friends, he as if they are close relatives. Bandhun Swami Bhavena. His close relatives as his superiors. Okay. With that kind of feeling, with Bhavena, Chapashyati. So he looks, he kind of holding his close by people in an elevated sense. He's not looking at them in any inferior sense. Continues.
सामन्ताः सर्वे तस्य आदेशं परिपालयन्ति.
Paripalayanti. So Samanta is a concept of Chakravarti and Uparaja. So whenever these big kings reign over a larger number of other kingdoms, they don't go and disturb the balance too much of the local rule. They just make arrangements with those kings to become Samantas. That means they also think like him, that kind of sense of Samanta. So that Samanta Rajas, all of them, Sarve, Tasya Adesham, Duryodhanasya Adesham, his directive, Paripalayanti. They are conducting that. They are ruling with that particular directive only, according to the directive only. Continues.
राज्ये सर्वत्र कृषिरुपुष्टास्ति.
Krishirutkrishtasti. Okay, can you say it again?
कृषिरुत्कृष्टा अस्ति.
Little tongue twister, but you can see that easily now. Rajye, in the kingdom, Saptami Kavachana, Sarvatra, everywhere, Krishihi, Rutva of Visarga. Okay, so Repamsha has come for Visarga. Krishihi, that is the Krishi here refers to all the growing of the various grains and things like that, vegetables, grains, whatever farming activities, that is Krishi. Krishihi, that is the farming activities. Utkrishta, Strilinga, Utkrishta, okay, superior, Asti. Okay, so Utkrishta tells us what? Krishihi is also a Strilinga pada. See how we can learn with association. See, Krishihi Utkrishta Asti is there, then Krishihi would have been Pullinga. But Krishihi Utkrishta Asti tells us that Krishihi is a Strilinga pada in Sanskritam. Okay, so Utkrishta means in a very enhanced way. Okay, so the farming is booming. That's what is the meaning. Asti is there. Continues.
Sir, then we cannot say Krishihi, no, sir?
You can say Krishihi Utkrishta Asti. That is the that is the Sandhi Vibhaga.
Okay.
And then if you read it together, it is Krishir Utkrishta Asti. One is Rutva, and Rutva after Repa. The Repa has joined forces with the U. There is a simple samyoga. So there is only Visarga Repa, Visarga Sandhihi Repa here. Okay. Then Utkrishta Asti ityatra Savarna Dirgha Sandhir Asti. Okay. Continue, sir.
Guptachara Vishwasyogyah Santi.
Guptacharaha, all his spies. Okay, those who move in a secret way. See how the spy name is constructed in a simple sense in Sanskritam. These are all what we call yaugika shabdas. Guptacharaha. Ye Guptaritya charanti ste Guptacharaha. Those who move in a secretive way, they are Guptacharas. Beautiful. Vishwasa yogyaha. So Vishwasa means confidence. Okay. Yogyaha means deserving of. So they are all deserving of confidence of the king, of course, of Duryodhana. Santi, they are. Continue, sir.
Sir, Guptachara is what vibhakti?
Guptacharaha pratama bahuvachana.
But that Guptachara or Guptachara?
Visarga lopa. Visargalopa. You have seen lots of, see wherever you see number like this, then Sandhi indicator. If you go down to number 15, you will see Gupta Charaha Vishwasa Yogyaha Visarga Sandhi written there clearly. Okay.
Okay,
So that Visargalopa has happened. And here, how to identify the Vibhakti? Very easy. You see, look for the, that's what I call Vakya Prajna. We, all of us, whether we are not able to remember the tables, etc., we can, once we read the sentence, we immediately get the purport of the sentence. Gupta Charaha, even if you don't know it is Charaha, Gupta Chara Vishwasa Yogyaha Santi. We know the word Vishwasa Yogya from our own mother tongues. Gupta Chara we know from our other mother tongues. Santi we know from enough studies so far from Sanskritam. They are. So who are is the question that comes to your head in the Anvaya Paddhati. So who are? The Gupta Charas are there. Okay, what they are? They are Vishwasa Yogyas. They are worthy of confiding. That means they are not doing any pituri. They are not doing any ill work. That kind of sense. So Gupta Charas must be the karta of the Santi. So that is Pratama Bahuvachana. And because Vishwasa Yogyaha is a attribute to Gupta Chara, it is also in Pratama Bahuvachana as a Visheshana. Okay. Gupta Charaha Vishwasa Yogyaha Santi. That's all. So Pratama and Kriyapada is Pratama Purusha Bahuvachana. Okay. Lat Lakara. Sa Asti Stahasta Santi. Very easy. Okay. Continue, sir.
ते अन्य राजानां वृतांतं तस्मै निवेदयन्ति.
Te is just like English they. They Anya Rajanam, of the other kings. Okay, of the other kings. Basically, these Gupta Charas are there for two reasons. One is to check within the kingdom things are, not what you call internal home affairs, and also external affairs. So both are covered by different Gupta Charas. So of the other kings, Vrittantam. Vrittanta is like the recounting of their affairs. Okay, Tasmai to Duryodhana. Duryodhanaya is Tasmai. Okay, to him. Nivedayanti. They are conveying. Okay, the same thing that Kirata is doing to Yudhishthira, those Guptacharas are also doing to their own king. See, you see this, you see the interplay here. I would love that we read the original Kirata Arjunam to see. This Kirata is himself a Guptachara. Okay, so he is very much able to assess how the other Guptacharas are behaving. That means he has the intelligence to know who is a Guptachara there, observe their behavior and how they are conveying, etc. So little bit of what you call his own trade, he is observing how it's going on in the other kingdom. It's a kind of interplay there. Continue, sir.
Sorry, sir. Vrittantam, what did you say it was?
Vrittantam, I mean the episodic episode is like a Vrittanta. Okay, so end of a circle. Okay, see how this is in Rudy has become. Basically, every person, every administrator or an officer or a worker has certain cyclic nature of his work that he needs to carry out. Okay, and so Vrittanta is used to convey the complete cyclic behavioral nature of those people is the Vrittanta. So it can be anybody's Vrittanta, but this is Anya Rajanam Vrittanta. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Vartma, you know the Vartma, Vartate exists. Vartma, the behavior. Okay, that same thing is extending to this tense. Okay.
It is not news. Vrittantam is not news.
You can translate it to news also. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
you say Vrutpatra. Vrutpatra is newspaper.
Yes, that is also there. Very correct, Mahodaya. Correct.
Sir.
एवं सः प्रबलो महाराजो भविष्यति.
Like this, I mean, the way he is conducting his kingdom, which is good, evam, with that kind of behavior, saha, Duryodhanaha, prabalaha maharajaha bhavishyati. So, saha, prabalaha maharajaha, all of them are together in Prathama. So, he, a very powerful super king, he will become. That means he is he is kind of telling Yudhishthira, I know you expected me to find all chaos there. Nothing like that. He is doing well, and if he continues like this, he will become a even more powerful. That's the kind of thing he's conveying. Continue, sir.
अतस्तं जेतु बद्ध्वा उपायः कर्तव्यः इति.
Now little bit our Kirata is little bit exceeding his his new space. He is supposed to just convey, but he's a nice guy, probably an elderly Kirata. So he's telling, therefore you to win over him. So ataha tvam is not there, or tvaya or bhavata. Oh, bhavata is there. Why I'm saying that? So bhavata is a third person reference to a second person, right? So by you, bhavata, tam jetum, Duryodanam jetum. In order to win over Duryodhana, upayah kartavyah. Some kind of a smart plan has to be done. You cannot just walk in there and expect any victory. That's what he is saying. Okay. Nicely, he is doing a summary of his assessment at the end. Thank you very much, Anup Varya. Well done. It was a good abhyasa. Now I have, I think, Karthikeyan Varya. Are you available?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please, sir, read.
Yudhishthiro Guptacharaya Paritoshikam Dittva Tam Preshitavan.
Yudhishthiraha Guptacharaya, for the sake of the Guptachara, Paritoshakam, some kind of a bounty, that is some gold or whatever, as a karma pada, Dattva, having given, Tam Preshitavan, he sent him. Okay. I mean, vanam prati preshitavan. Tam vanam prati preshitavan. You can take the second karma in imagination, but tam is the one of the karma padas of preshana kriya. Just give me a second. I'm busy right now. I'll get in touch later. So tam preshitavan. He sent him off. Continue, sir.
Tato Bhimadinam Sammukhe Kiradenoktam Vishayam Draupadye Katitavan.
After that, in his Sabangana, Yudhishthira, Bhimadinam Sammukhe. So Bhima is his next immediate brother, right? Bhima Adinam means Pandavanam, Anujanam. Anujanam Sammukhe. Kiratena Uktam, Kiratenoktam. Na Uktam, Oktam, Guna Sandhi. Okay. Sammukhe is at their face. That means in front of them. Okay. Kiratena Uktam. By the Kirata, the thing that was told. Vishayam, that news. Draupadyai Kathitavan. He conveyed it to Draupadi. So obviously Draupadi was most concerned. If I leave, this fellow will just live like a forest man. So she has better interests in mind. So obviously Yudhishthira is kind of reporting to her, updating her about the whole thing in the presence of his brothers. Okay. So the important position of Draupadi she holds almost as the second in command, even ahead of the other brothers, is clear from this. Though I'm assuming that the story summary captures the original Kavi Bhava nicely. That's how we conclude. Continue, sir.
Yudhishthirasya Vajanam Srutva Draupadi Uktavadi. He Nata Strinam Upadesha Vajaneshu Purushaha Prayena Anadaram Prakadayanti.
So you see, Draupadi is the diplomat to the core. Yudhishthirasya vachanam shrutva, of Yudhishthira the saying having heard. Okay, what she says, Draupadi uktavati, Draupadi said, Hey Nata, hey my lord. Okay, Strinam upadesha vachaneshu, of the ladies, Strinam. Okay. Shashti Bahu. Upadesha Vachaneshu. upon the words of advice in Saptami Bahuvachana. Purushaha, the male folk, prayena, perhaps, anadaram, disinterest, prakatayanti, they announce. That means they act as if these are trivial sayings and not with any significance, not with correct tarka involved. Like this they think. So very, even from Mahabharata time we can see how ladies had to fight for their rights. Okay, continue, sir.
But Kunti and all controlled the whole thing, no?
Oh, Kunti is another level. Yes, Draupadi is no less. We can see from this, but she is being the proper Bahu.
Yeah.
Continue.
Actually, Draupadi is quite a strong character.
Very
She
much.
advises Satyabhama in the right conduct of the wife to please the husband and all.
All the politics of how to.
Right.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
I would love to read that sometime. It will be interesting.
Right.
Where does it come in good sense? Directly from Mahabharata are you reading, or?
I read the Bhagavatam somewhere only.
Oh, in Bhagavatam you read that. Oh, very nice. Continue, sir.
No, it comes in Mahabharata, sir, when when Arjuna brings Satyabhama to his place to meet Draupadi, then she advises him at that time, advises her at that time.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Continue.
Tathapi mama hridaya vyatha vaktum mam prerayati.
Even then, even knowing that, you know, you may not have adara to my words. So how she is nicely warming the thali. So even then, mama hridaya vyata, my sorrow of the heart, something like that. Vaktum, to tell, mam prerayati. So actually hridayavata is the karta, you can say, the kartri. So the vyatha that is there in my heart speaks, it promotes. What does it promote or instigate? Prerana, vaktum, to tell. Mam prereti, I am the karma pada for that. So mam, Draupadim, atra. Draupadim athva mam prerayati. So my sadness in my heart, it tickles me to talk. Okay, like that. Nicely she's saying.
Can you say compels me?
It's also
Can we say compels me to speak?
Compel is a good translation. Thanks, Bhagini. Another person was trying to say something.
Yeah, Vyatha is concern.
Vyatha is dukkha.
Vyatha
is more like hurtful feeling.
Sorrow.
Sorrow.
Sir, prerayati is inspire.
Encouraging.
Encourages me, tickles me. Many translations, but I think compel is a better word. Prerana. In another location, prerana can be encouragement. In this location, compel is a little bit better fitting word.
Prerana is also persuasion, sir.
Correct, persuasion. Yes, sir. In different contexts, you can take different English words there.
Yes, sir.
So Vyatha is always related to sorrow, sadness only, or it can be a deep concern from your heart that you're trying to say something.
No. See, her Hridayavyata is not related to Yudhishthira not listening. She knows that she has the metal to convey to him and he will listen. She is not worried about that. She is a very able wife. Okay. What her Hridayavyata is that we are in the forest like we are ascetics when we should be kings of this kingdom. That is the Vyata she is carrying in Hridaya. Okay.
Okay. So her main aim is to capture the kingdom back again. That
Correct.
is the
To I mean, after that, see, she doesn't want to do that anytime before their Vanavasa, whatever, according to that Pana, whatever they have lost. Okay. That she knows. That is the Dharma, and having suffered the loss, they have to be in Vanavasa. That is not a problem, whatever number of years. But the preparation should be afford that when they return, they will not become Nirgatikas. That's her concern. concern. Huh?
Okay.
You will see all that come, I think, in this story slowly.
Okay. Thank you.
Ha, Mahodaya.
Tvam patni samam Rajyalakshmim Parityaktavan.
You Patni Samam Rajya Lakshmi.
Yes.
How beautifully she is coloring it. The richness of the kingdom, which is equivalent to a wife. Okay, as worthy as a wife. Okay, you have given up due to your stupid Dyuta Kriya. That she didn't say, of course. We can say that. Continue, sir.
Atoyam Bhimaha Kathamasti Pashya.
Oppa. Atah ayam Bhimaha Katamasti Pasya. I mean, Kaku we have to bring in. See, because of that, this Bhima, who was used to be such a strong, stalwart fellow, how is he? Look at him. He has become like a kaddi, like that is saying. He's become. Continue, sir.
Purva sa sundara manje shayanam karodi sma. Purvam sa sundara manje shayanam karodi sma.
Saha visarga lopa. Before he upon a cot which is beautiful sleep he used to do. Continue.
Idanim dino Pudale shayanam karoti.
Idanim dinaha bhimaha. I mean, now this dina means sorrowful, that kind of sense. Okay, this sorry figure that is Bhima. Bhutale, upon the earth. Okay, ground. Shayanam karoti. He sleeps. All that Shubhashita can say anything, but Draupadi's point is very clear.
Dino is pathetic.
Dinaha, pathetic. Correct. Beautiful.
I am Arjunaha Purvam Uttaradesham Jitwa Suvarna Rashi Manidavan. What is it? Suvarna Rashi Manidavan.
Anitavan. Rashim Anitavan. So that is a samyoga. Halanta makara with a. Okay. I am Arjunaha. So again another samyuktakshara. This Arjuna, how she is using this I am, I mean, again, I am assuming this summary also is bringing the pieces of words that the Kavi is using. So this Arjuna that we see now, Purvam, before Uttaradesham Jitva, having traveled to the northern regions and having won over, Suvarna Rashim Anitavan, he brought as the victory spoils the heaps of gold to the kingdom of Kurus. Continues.
Idanim Saha Yeva Valkalam Tharati.
That same fellow only, but he is wearing bark cloth. Valkala is a bark cloth or a narumudi. You know, we take the fiber from forest produce and create some kind of a rough cloth. That is Valkala. So Valkalam Dharati, he is wearing cloth made of bark fiber.
Vanya Jivanam Karodi.
He is living like a Vanya Jiva. That means like an ascetic, hunting or eating whatever mula, kanda mula, etc. He is living.
Nakula Sakadevo, Sukumaro, Komala Deho.
Our Nakula and Sahadeva, okay, they are Sukumaras. That means they actually are very delicate, Komala Deho, very delicate bodied, happy living beings. Okay, like that, delicate darlings. Continue, sir.
Tau Katine Bhudale Shayanam Kurda.
Those two also are sleeping on very rough ground. Kurutaha Dvivachanam. Continue, sir.
Yedesham Kashtam Drishtva Tava Dukkham na Bhavati Kim.
Yetesham Kashtam Drishtva Tava Dukkham na Bhavati Kim. Okay. The difficulty, having seen the difficulty of these fellas, your unhappiness not happening what? I mean, that sense. Okay.
Don't
Are you
you
not
feel
becoming
sad?
unhappy?
Don't
Aren't
you
you
feel
becoming
sad?
sad? Yes. She says nothing about you are sleeping on the ground. Very. We have to read the original Kiratarjuniyam. And she's saying nothing about I am sleeping on the ground. See her. Yeah. Continue, sir.
Aham adiva dukkham anubhavami.
I am experiencing anubhavami, experiencing ativa dukkham. Extreme unhappiness I am experiencing due to the destitute state of my great husbands.
Maharaja, tvam shantim taja.
Hey Maharaja, you give up your this shanti stuff. Okay.
Shatrunam vinasham kuru.
Destroy your enemies.
Shandir muninam swabhavaha. Shandir muninam swabhavaha.
Shantihi. So repa, visarga repa. Shantihi muninam. So the quietness, accepting quiet attitude is the nature of munis. Continues.
Sa swabhavo nripanam na.
It is not the nature of kings.
Samaya nirisha nochita.
So keep on postponing and waiting for time as if time will solve. Samaya niriksha is a very garbita word. Samaya nirikshana means keep on waiting endlessly, assuming that some other random event will make things happen your way. Okay. Samaya niriksha. Beautiful. Okay. No chita.
Not appropriate.
Na uchita. No chita. Na uchita. So guna sandhi. A plus u. O.
Not taking any action and just postponing it.
Correct. All that is extra inference. The simple literal meaning of samaya niriksha is abiding time. Abiding time is not inappropriate. That's all it literally means, but we can colorfully expand it in all the ways you said. Yes.
Yes, sir. It would perhaps mean marking time without doing anything is not appropriate, no?
Correct. Okay. Yeah.
Correct. Yo vijayamichhati sa samayanusarena santhim tyajati.
Yaha, yo is visarga utva. Yaha vijayam ichchati, one who desires victory. Saha, that fellow. So yaha saha. Okay. So first part of the phrase, double sentence phrases. First sentence is vijayam ichchati. Yaha vijayam ichchati, one who desires victory. Saha, that fellow. Samayanusarena, samayasya anusarena. It's called Shashti Tatpurusha. So samayanugunam, samayanusarena, according to the need of the times. The need is hidden inside. There is nothing like need saying there, but we know it means need. Samayanusarena, as per the times. Sandhim tyajati. Sandhi is the sense of acceptance here, in the sense of acceptance. That means you accept that you had a dharmic loss and you will undergo the penance of the dharma accordingly. That is the sandhi. That means you are not fighting back, you are accepting. That is sandhi. So samantas are in sandhi with the Maharaja, you can say, in a sense. Tyajati. So that kind of fellow who desires victory, he is going to give up on all this sandhi behavior. Last couple of sentences.
Ato yuddhaya pravartin kuru iti.
Therefore, ataha yuddhaya, for the sake of war, pravrittim, engaging yourself. See, the same vrittanta extends how the words are extending. Pravrittim is now meaning inclination to act. Okay. Kuru, you do. Okay, iti.
Eva muktva Draupadi tushnim abhavat.
Having told this much, like this, Draupadi tushnim abhavat. Draupadi is our chief actor of today's episode. Tushnim abhavat. So she became quiet. Okay. Actually, tushnim abhavat. Correct. Tushnim abhavat. So nice story. So very
Some-
easy now.
Sir, what is meaning of nochita?
Na
No.
uchita. Na uchita. Uchita means appropriate.
Uchita.
Na means not.
Okay.
Na uchita. Of
Sir,
course,
what
don't
is say for
translate this uchita in Kannada means which means free. That is not the correct meaning of uchita in Sanskritam. Uchita means appropriate, like that. Okay.
So what do you say for elder brother and younger brother, sir?
Anuja, Agraja is elder brother. Anuja
Ah.
is younger brother. My name,
Oh.
for example, Anuja is there in my name. No, so it's younger brother.
Okay.
Sir, this summary probably captures
Ramanuja.
Rama.
Ramasya Anujaha iti mama nama. Samyak. Yes, Mahodaya. This summary is well done by someone. Well done by someone.
Yeah, I was feeling the summary probably successfully captures the drama.
Yes. And actually, when we read, no, if we still do the literal translation, we lose the color. The color is shorn from our reading. So we have to laugh, enjoy, understand the inner meanings, what is happening, whether it is introduced by the translator or the summarizer or by the original Kavi. So now you can imagine if you go to the original Kavi, how much you will enjoy. The play, interplay, the bhavas, etc. Right now, every day in the night, I attend half an hour Samskrita this thing reading that one knowledgeable youngster does for us. He's reading Mahabharata. From Mahabharata right now we are reading Shishupala Vadha Prakarana, that one. Okay, and we just enjoy every verse, like no end. Continuously we are all smiling, laughing, enjoying the color interplay, etc. The kavitva is amazing, even of Vyasa. Okay. What words he puts in Yudhishthira's mouth, what words he puts in Bhishma's mouth, amazing difference. Yudhishthira is such a Deena Bhava, very, very sorry type of verses that, we feel ashamed of Yudhishthira, saying, why is he talking like this about Shishupala? Whereas Bhima is like, man, Kshatriya of ultimate nature in his words.
Yeah.
Krishna itself quiet in the background as usual.
Ramanujaha refers to one younger brother. Ramanujaha means all younger brothers.
Correct. Ramasya Anujaha, Ramanujaha. But
Any
my
of the
specifically Ramanuja specifically refers to Lakshmana first.
Lakshmana only, okay.
First Lakshmana only, generally. Okay. Yeah, I am named after Lakshmana.
Yes.
Actually, I am named after our Purvaja initiator of our Pantha called Ramanuja, but he was named after Lakshmana. Yeah. Okay. So let us answer these few questions.
Adishesha, sir. After Adishesha.
Also Adishesha. Okay, yes. He is known as Adishesha's avatara, Ramanuja. Correct. Yudhishthirah kam kimartam Hastinapuram prati preshitavan. Very easy. Kiratam. Kimartam.
Ekam kiratam. Duryodhanasya rajyapalanakramam.
Correct.
Preshitavan.
Duryodhanasya rajyapalanakramam jnatum preshitavan. Very good. Okay. Rajyabharakramam, Rajyapalanakramam, any your own words.
Okay. Parakramam I told, but it's a Tamil word.
No, not Parakramam. Bharakramam. Rajyabharakramam.
Okay.
Tasya parakramam jnatum yuddham karaniyam. Duryodhanaha mitrani bandhuncha katham pashyati. Easy.
Bandhun, Swamini.
Mitrani, first you answer Mitrani. Very good. So Mitrani bandhuniva. Bandhun swami bhavena cha pashyati. Very easy. Purushaha prayena kutra anadaram prakatayanti.
Srinam
Upadeshasya krite anadaram prakatayanti. All the men are keeping quiet. If you notice, all the men are keeping quiet because they know the truth of this. Purushaha prayena, they have kindly allowed the men prayena. in the kavi has allowed prayena perhaps. Strinam upadesha-vachaneshu anadaram prakatayanti. Shantihi kesham svabhavah. Kesham svabhavah. Muninam svabhavah.
मुनीनां स्वभावः नृपाणां स्वभावः न
अथवा क्षत्रियाणाम also you can answer. Nripanam svabhavah na. Okay. Shantihi muninam svabhavah na tu nripanam. Nripanam in the sense of rajanam. Shantihi ato. Kaha sandhihi sandhim tyajati.
Yudhishthira.
यः विजयम् इच्छति
विजयम्
विजयम् इच्छति सः सन्धिं त्यजति अन्ततो गत्वा युधिष्ठिरः अपि तथा भवेत् इति आशा तत्र अत्र उत्तरे तु यः विजयम् इच्छति सः सन्धिं त्यजति समयानुसारेण can be put or not.
Okay.
Well done, guys. Let's see the pictures and enjoy. I actually liked this Kavi's art. You see how beautiful this.
Yes, dyes are
very beautiful.
Very beautiful painting, huh? Though a little bit, all their bhavas are a little bit static, but still I liked the picture. It's nice.
Very
and
realistic.
And then this one is some other episode where Krishna is involved with Draupadi.
Bhima, that is Bhima.
Akshay Patra. Correct. Then this is the Shiva Puja that that Draupadi is carrying out at Parvata alongside Pandavas. And this is of course the infamous Dushasana Vastrapara. Clearly Chandamama material. This looks like Chandamama. All my Puranic learnings happened first through Chandamama.
Oh, so nice. Very nice, sir.
Actually, our youngster generation don't have anything like that, sadly.
No, sir. Even now, children are taught like that. But Chandamama is not there.
Chandamama itself is gone, sadly.
Yes,
all stupid cartoons. You're right. I mean, now
we can get them on online also.
We can get, but who is reading, madam? We have to again our old selves. We have to go back and read them. Astu, let us not lament. We have some time, so let's get started with the Anvaya Rachana. Okay. So Anvaya Rachana, where we were previously, if we remember, this was the verse. Tata Shvetair Hayair Yukte Mahati Syandane Sthitau Madavah Pandavaschaiva Divyau Shankau Pradadmatuhu. So after Bhishma's Shankanada and Simha Garjana, okay, so the Pandavas, that is the two Pandavas, that is Krishna, I mean Pandava and Krishna and Arjuna, those two also blew their conches. Okay, Tataha, after that, Shvetair Hayaihi Yukte Mahati Syandane Sthito. The two who are standing on the supreme chariot, which is engaged with white horses. Okay, what a colorful description. Okay, and that we know. Okay, then now let's see how it continues. Shri Krishna blew the conch named Panchajanya and Arjuna the Devadatta, following which, so they have skipped the verses related to that. That's why they are giving the English for that. Okay, Shri Krishna blew the conch named Panchajanya and Arjuna the conch named Devadatta, following which Bhima, Yudhishthira, Virata, Drupada and all others also blew their conches. Tumulo Bhavan. Oh, here only Timulo Vyarunadayam is the verse is there. Okay. So next verse after all that skipped description is this one. So let us read this one. Okay. Just mute everyone. Okay. Somebody can read for us. Anybody wants to volunteer to read this verse nicely?
May I, sir?
Chandra Iyer gets it. Go ahead, Bhagini.
Sir, thank you. Dhanyavada. Sa ghoshodhartarashtranam hridayani vyadarayat nabhascha prithivim chaiva tumulo vyanunadayan.
Well read, Bhagini. Thanks. So, Saha.
धन्यवादः।
Actually, read once more. Double reading is always good.
सघोषोदार्त्रराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन्।
Saha ghoshaha. Sagosho. One is visarga lopa, another is utva. Saha ghoshaha. That blowing of the conchs, the sound. Okay, udghosha. That kind of sound. Dhartarashtranam, of the men of Dhritarashtra clan. That is basically Kauravas. You can read that way. So of the men of Dhritarashtra's gang group, Hridayani, their hearts, Vyadarayat. Okay, so broke apart sense is there, rent. Okay, that kind, I don't know how many, not the house rent, guys. There is another better English word with the same spelling, which means to tear. Okay, so tore the hearts of the Kauravas. That sense you can read in that Vyadarayat. Okay, or shook it to their core, like that. Okay, Nabaha cha Prithvim cha eva Tumulaha Vyanunadayan. Okay, so Nabaha is sky, Prithvi is earth. So both sky and earth, okay, in an intense way. Tumulaha means violent, that sense. Okay, resonated. So both the ground and the sky resonated. Okay, with violent, with the violence of that sound. Okay, so not just the hridayas, the sky and the earth also shook. Okay, so you can say resonated is the correct translation of Vyanunadayan. So nada is, you know, is sound. Anunada is echo. Anunada is Vishishtataya Anunada. That means resonant. Okay, how beautifully that Yaugika Pada brings out this resonation. Okay, that's what it is. So it's very simple to understand. So Saha Ghoshaha Dartra Rashtranam Karnatva has happened. Okay, Hridayani. Karma pada Tutiya Bahuvachana Vyadarayat. Okay, rent broke apart. Nabaha cha Prithvim cha eva Tumulaha Vyanunadayan. Okay, like that it has gone. So Visarga Sandhi Lopa, Visarga Ukara, Nabascha Shatva Shutvam. Actually Shakaraha, Visarga Sandhi Shakaraha we can say, but that Shakara is due to Shutva. Okay, Nabas, Nabash, like that. Stosh, Chunash, Chuhu, Sa becomes Shakara. Okay, so actually it is Visarga Sandhi Sakaraha Shutvam in that sequence. Okay. Cha eva chaiva vriddhi sandhi we are very familiar with. Tumulaha vyadunadayan tumulo utva again. Okay, ukaraha. Okay, visarga sandhi ukaraha. That tumultuous roar resounded in the heaven and earth and rent the hearts of Dhritarashtra's son. Rent. That's the same word they also used. That's what I have brought it up basically. So that Vyadarayat is the rent part, and the Vyanunadayan is Hridayani Vyanunadayan. Hearts of the Dhritarashtrans, it resounded and in the sky and heaven. Okay.
Sir, here actually it is talking about Dhritarashtra's son, but that word is not evident in the shloka, no? Dhritarashtra.
No, Dhartarashtranam. Dhartarashtra is those of Dhritarashtra. It is a growth, you see. Dhartarashtranam. So Dhartarashtranam is Dhritarashtra's offsprings and clan. You can extend
offspring, is it there?
Offsprings and clans. Yeah, clan.
Okay. So the people belonging
just like
to
Pandoho Putraha Pandavaha, same way Dhritarashtrasya Putraha Dhartarashtraha. So it's a growth on that. That is, it's a Tadvita. Okay.
Okay.
Like Vasudeva's son Vasudeva.
Vasudeva, all those things. Dasharatha's son Dasharati.
Dasharati. Yeah.
Those things.
Sir, you said Tadara. What's that, sir?
Oh, if you go to my second recording in this whole series, no?
Oh, okay, okay.
I don't know whether you are present in the second class. First day, Sunday afternoon session, because lot of students I thought will benefit from knowing the keywords of the grammar of Sanskritam. I introduced in that video a flowchart of Sanskritam grammar. Okay,
I'll do
very
that.
very simplified flowchart. Just listen to it. It's a 1 hour talk with a presentation.
I'll do that.
That presentation also is shared as a PDF in the group. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You will see that there. Okay. Okay. So the Anvaya Vakya is like this. Saha tumulaha goshaha. Okay. Nabaha prithvim cha vyanunadayan shatranta. See? So goshaha vyanunadayan. That sound itself rending. Okay. Reflecting, resonating this sense. Okay. So that extreme sound, the sky and the earth both as Dvitiya Ekavachana. Okay, Nabaha is in Dvitiya Ekavachana. If you see Nabhas Shabda, Sakaranta Shabda, it is not easy declension. So it's not Nabham, it is Nabaha only in Dvitiya. Nabaha Prithvim Cha. So both the sky and the earth as Karmapada, both of them Vyanunadayan, resonating both of those in Shatranta. Continuing the sentence. Okay. Dharta Rashtranam, of the Dhritarashtra's offsprings. Shashti Bahuvachana. Hridayani, Karmapada. Their hearts as targets, as Karmapadas. Vyadarayat eva. It rent it. It literally tore it. Indeed. Like that. Okay. Nice. So Vakya Vishlešanam taihi kritam asti. Kriyapadam Vyadarayat.
Eva Vedaradat also, no, sir?
What, madam?
Instead of Eva coming at the end, you can put Hridayani Eva Vyadar. No, sir.
You can put it, Bhagini. Yes. Hridayani Eva Vyadarayat. Vyadarayat Eva. Both way you can exclaim. Yeah. No problem. It emphasizes, that's all. It doesn't change the things too much. Cha Eva, that one. Okay. Actually, it can go with, for example, they have included Eva with Cha Eva. So you can put it in this part, Shatranta part. So Nabha Prithvim Eva Cha, like that also you can take. You can take it in many places. It's your freedom. It is our reader's freedom to enhance which part he likes in his, as per his feeling. Okay.
Okay.
So Vyadarayat is the Pradhana Kriyapada. You can see this one in the for us also. Prathama Saha Ghoshaha Tumulaha Vyanunadayan. See, Vyanunadayan is Shatranta Prathama. Okay. Ghoshaha, it goes as a qualifier. As we know, Shatrantas are Visheshanas to the Pada which is enacting it. So Ghoshaha is in Prathama. So Vyanunadayan is also in Prathama for that reason. Dvitiya Vibhakti Hridayani. Hridayani is the karma pada for Vyadarana Kriya. Then Nabaha Prithvi is karma pada for Vyanunadana. Okay. This other subservient Kriya pada which is part of the Shatranta form. Okay. Not Kriya pada, Kriya Vachaka. A subtle difference. Kriya pada would technically become a Tinganta. So this is not a Tinganta. Okay. Dvitiya Vibhakti also we saw Shashti Dharta Rashtranam, of the Dhritarashtra's sons. Avyayam cha eva. So you can throw in the proper places. I ended up using only one cha here. Another cha you can throw somewhere. Okay. And then the word Vyanunadayan is to be taken with Nabaha Prithvim cha and Hridayani with Dhartarashtrana, which I have done here. So then they have went through the Akanksha Paddhati. You guys go through that. So I think good. We could finish that. Next we will take up these two after the break. Okay. The second set of couple of verses together. They have done the Anvaya because they belong together. They have done it together. So we'll take up after the break. Take a nice water break. So 12:05. So by 12:09, 12:10, we will restart. Okay. You can stay connected. Don't disconnect. We'll come back and continue our learning for another half an hour.
भारत है क्या सीधा
Just as we wait to restart, I would like to once again sincerely thank all of you for having very heartily participated in contributing to the cause of Samskrita Bharati. And I assure you that all your contribution will be well utilized to promote this wonderful language and bring more and more people in the know of the wonderful samskara of our country, which is available through this language in various kritis. Thank you very much. It has been a very sumptuous contribution from everyone. I appreciate. Okay. So let us.
Dhanyawada, sir.
Dhanyawada.
Actually, we should thank you all.
No. I mean,
For
I am as much having the same interest as all of you to benefit the organization so that it can in turn benefit more of us. And that is no more positive benefit than learning this language and reading all the beautiful kritis and getting back in touch with what it was then. We were born now. We were not born in those glorious times.
yeah.
But we can relive it through these kritis. And what else? The joy of reliving it is ultimate. Yes.
And they're teaching us each and everything. Otherwise, we'll not think of writing the exam also.
I am hardly teaching. I am myself enjoying. Believe me, if this class is not there, I am not going to be happy. So there is complete swartha in this. Okay. Atha vyavastitan. Oh, let us have somebody read it for us. Chandra led last time. Who else wants to read?
Shall I, sir?
Please, Bhagini, read.
Atha vyavasthitan drishtva dhritarashtraन् kapidvajaha pravritte shastra sampate dhanurthyamya pandavaha. So that last but one word is correct, what I read.
No, subtle correction. Dhanurudyamya. Dhanurudyamya Pandava.
Dhanurudyamya Pandavaha Atha Vyavasthitan Drishtva Dhratarashtran.
No. Slow down there. Dhartarashtran.
Correct, no? Dhartarashtran.
Correct.
Dhartarashtran Kapidvajaha Pravritte Shastra Sampate.
Shastra Sampate.
Pravritte Shastra Sampate Dhanuruthyamya Pandavaha.
Samyak Patitam. Okay. So let us invite another person to read the second verse. Anybody else wants to come up?
Can I read, sir?
Can I read? Can I?
I couldn't see the names of who all wanted to read.
Raghu Prasad.
Raghu sir, you read. Raghu Prasad sir. Umavari, I will give you a chance another time.
Okay,
Raghu Prasad.
Okay.
ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यमिदमाह महीपते सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयाम्यर्जुन.
Achyuta.
Mechyuta.
Another time.
I read it. ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यमिदमाह Mahipate.
No. See, Vakyam is one place, and then you change the tone, like Hrishikesham tada Vakyam.
Idamaha Mahipate.
Well done.
Senayor Rubayor Madhye Ratam Stapayamechyuta.
Beautiful. You split it perfectly now. So let us now go back and get the meaning. Atha. Okay. Afterwards and from thereupon. Therefore, these senses come from Atha. Vyavastitan Drishtva. So Atha Vyavastitan also we can take in the sense this way organized. Those who are organized this way, Drishtva, okay, having seen Dhartarashtran Kapidvajaha. So Dhartarashtran goes with Vyavastitan. So Atha Vyavastitan Dhartarashtran Drishtva Kapidvajaha Pandavaha. That's how it goes. So what is this Kapidvajaha Visheshana to Pandava, which is Arjuna basically? So Kapidvaja, because his Ratha had a Dvaja which was having the Hanuman's Lanchana. Okay. So that's why he himself is known as Kapidvaja. So his Ratha is a Kapidvaja and he is a Kapidvaja as a Bahuvrihi. Yasya Dvajaha Kapeheva Kapehe yasya dvajah kapehe dvajah saha kapidvajah. I don't know the sandhi, correct vibhakti form of the kapi. So of Hanuman, basically. Hanumadvajah also you can say. Okay. So this Arjuna, having seen the sons and other relatives of Dhritarashtra organized so, okay, Pravritte Shastra Sampate becomes Adhikarana for the whole thing. In the Shastra Sampata that occurred, that is in Saptami there, in the clash of the sounds of the warring instruments, like people are rattling their sabers or whatever you call it, that sound of rattling of the sabers, you can say in English closest. Okay, Shastra Sampata is that. In the sound of the rattling of sabers that occurred in that kind of environment, the Dhartarashtra's or the Dhritarashtra's sons who are so organized, having seen Kapidvajaha Pandava Arjuna. Okay, so Danuhu Udyamya Pandavaha. Okay, so he there is some continuance, that's why the second verse has come in. But this much, if we take the meaning, Danuhu means the bow. Okay, Udyamya, having lifted or taken up, that sense. Okay, that sense is there, that much. So Rishikesham tada vakyam idamaha mahipate. Rishikesha is Krishna's name. Okay, so there are several interpretations to this. One interpretation is one with a very curly spread out hair also you can take, but there is something more than that. Okay, let's not go too far there. So vakyam idamaha. So Pandavaha, Kapidvajaha Pandavaha, Krishnam Vakyamidam Aha. In the context of amidst the sound, having looked at the Kauravas, having taken up his own Dhanus, Pandava told so. What he told? He Mahipate. Okay, Senayor Ubayor Madhye Ratham Stapaya Me Achyuta. So He Mai Achyuta. Achyuta is the name, of course, for Krishna. He Mahipate. Hey, you great Lord. Okay, establish the Ratha Me Ratham. Okay, Mama Ratham Me. Okay, so Mama Ratham Stapaya Kutra Senayoho Ubayor Madhye. So Senayoho Ubayoho Madhye. In the middle of the two senas, two groups of armies. Yeah, you establish my Ratha. That's what he's telling. So the overall context is very clear. So it links the previous one amidst the sound of the rattling sabers, having looked at the Kauravas so organized. The Arjuna, who is having the Lanchana of Kapi, who is also a Pandava, he addressed Krishna this way: established my Ratha amidst the two armies. This is simple katana in a colorful way. So Atha Yavastitan Drishtva. Bhagini?
Mahipate here refers to Dhritarashtra, na?
But Mahipate is Sambodhana,
Because this
right?
was said by Sanjaya, who is describing the whole thing to Dhritarashtra. So Rishikesham tada vakyam.
Oh, okay. That has been shorn from the context. Okay. You're right. So then Mahipate has to be pulled out as Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya Uvacha, Sanjaya Dhritarashtram Uvacha, He Mahipate, Evamevam Abhavat, Tatra Pandavaha Arjunaha Krishnam Evam Uktavan iti. Samyak. In fact, it does pull out the great king here. Actually, that's why they shouldn't actually. I'm not aware of all the context. You are right. So Sanjaya Uvacha He Mahipate, and then the rest is actually what he told Sanjaya, told Dhritarashtra. Okay. All right. Yeah, that pulls out. So somehow, because I couldn't see Sanjaya's role here, I took Mahipate along with Achyuta. Though I was wondering why Arjuna would address Krishna as Mahipata, but why not? He was also a Mahipatihi.
Yeah.
So nothing wrong. But here it is Dhritarashtra's addressing by Sanjaya. Well done, Bhagini. Okay, so what any peculiar sandhis? I think almost shorn of any sandhis. Dhanuhu udyamya, dhanur udyamya, one sandhi repamsha of visarga is there. Okay, second part again not many. Of course, there is a anuswara sandhi which we almost ignore. Vakyam idam aha, idam aha. There is a samyoktakshara there. Mahipate senayor, again another repamsha of visarga. Ubayor, again another one like that. Madhye ratham, again anuswara sandhi. Sthapaya, me achyuta has a purva rupa sandhi. Okay, that is that elided akara. Okay, so some visarga sandhi, some purva rupa, not too much here. Okay, all right, they have listed anyway. So,
So
oh
what
great
does this
king,
may as such denote here, sir? May
mama
achyuta?
me, mama me. Me is an alternative form available to mama, of me.
Okay.
Aham shabda, if you decline, no, in Shashti it will become mama, me, like that. You see here in red I have written me, mama, that one. Okay. Mama ratham, me ratham.
Sir, one basic question. In the first verse, no, that we have this word drishtva. In that word, all are halanta aksharas, right? The halanta, ta, sha, ta is halanta, and then we are having va with a.
Dri is not halanta. Dakara with ri or swara. Dri.
So that is a samyukta akshara, like we
No. Dri is not a samyukta akshara. Dru is a simply dakara with swara. Okay.
That is, we will tell that samyogya.
No,
That is
it is a simple akshara. Every akshara in Sanskritam contains a possibly a vyanjana plus a swara, no?
Yeah, vyanjana swara.
Vyanjana swara we don't call it samyoga. Okay. When we samyuktakshara we use when there are more than one vyanjanas. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, akara is an akshara. It's just a swarakshara with no vyanjana. Tha is an akshara. It's a thakara with akara. Okay. It is not a samyuktakshara. Whereas vya is a samyuktakshara. Vakara, yakara, akara. The samyoga is between vakara and yakara. Akara invariably has a samyoga with yakara. We don't point it out specifically as samyoga. Okay. It is a native basic minimum, one swara.
Okay. So samyoga is only within the vyanjanas. That is what.
We call out a samyuktakshara as a samyoga between vyanjanas. Correct. Okay. It's a rudi. Yeah. You are right. If you go down to the elements, there is a samyoga between yakara and akara. Correct. Nothing wrong.
Okay.
But we don't call it. We just call it as a we call it as a gunita akshara.
Oh, okay. That is gunita.
See, first we call it as a gunita akshara or gunakara. That is the addition of the vowel to the consonant is gunakara, and then addition of multiple consonant is samyoga, samyukta akshara. Okay.
Okay.
It's just an understanding. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let us see the Anvaya Vakya of the two verses. That will be the next interesting thing. He Mahipate, He Dhritarashtra. See, I didn't see my own letters there and I misread it. So clearly that is the thing here. That is Sanjaya Uvacha, that much. And then of course Sanjaya is only saying the rest. Finally the whole, if you see the whole recital is from Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra, and then subsequently by Janamejaya and all those things, all the hierarchy is there. If you go to Mahabharata, you will see many places Janamejaya, Uvacha, like that also. Okay. So there is a whole series of stack of people who are reciting. Vyasa wrote it, but he wrote it in the mouth of all these people.
Pomegranate, it's not a
Yambulko Kudungo. Ata Shastra Sampate Pravrutte Sati. Okay, Sati Saptami style. Okay, you can also call it temporal locative. Why this is not going away? Okay, hopefully you are able to see my screen. Kapidvajaha Pandavaha Arjunaha. In bracket I have put it. Vyavasthitan Dhartarashtran Drishtva Danuhu udyamya. See how danuhu goes with that udyamya. See, drishtva is a subservient karma kriya vachaka. Udyamya subservient kriya vachaka. Okay. Lyabanta here tvanta. Okay. Tada at that time. Hrishikesham idam vakyam aha. The active kriya pada there. Aha. Vakyam idam aha. Yeah, here vakyam idam aha. Okay. Kim aha. Quote within quote. He achyuta सेनयोः उभयोः मध्ये मे अथवा मम रथं त्वं स्थापय. Tvam is implicit in स्थापय. Okay, lot. Okay, all right. That is the anvaya. So almost we don't need the English. The Sanskrit only taught us very well. Till now you learned how to analyze a sentence by recognizing the words in different cases, numbers and genders. Hereafter you will learn to do the Vakya Vishleshanam in tabular form. So they are giving you another technique to do this. Okay, they are teaching us. Let us see. So tabular form of doing Vakya Vishleshana. Here are a few points to take note of in this connection. Those words that end in thing are verbs. See, very clear. Okay. So udyamya cannot be a verb. Drishtva cannot be a verb. Aha and sthapaya are tingantas. Okay. So that's why they are verbs. Gacchati, agachat, jagama, gacchatu, etc. So gacchati is lat lakara, agachat is lang lakara, jagama is lit lakara, gacchatu is lot lakara. So like this they have given different lakara forms as examples, okay, of the same dhatu. Ktvanta, lyabanta and tumunanta also denote a kriya. Very clearly they have distinguished. Okay, they are not verbs, but they denote a kriya. That's the word I have been using, kriya vachaka, kriya vachaka, kriya vachaka, like that. Okay, these are also kriya vachaka, but they are namapadas. Typically they are either an avyaya or a declined namapada which associate with some karta or karma or something like that. Okay. So ktvanta, lyabanta, tumunanta. Ktvanta having done, lyabanta also having done, but with when there is a upasarga yukta dhatu we use lyap. Then tumun in order to do. So it is an action that will be the reason for the primary action, tumunanta. Okay. While ktvanta and lyabanta words indicate an asamapta kriya, a work that is not done. Are? It's incorrect. The sentence is reversed. Okay, guys, there is a correction to be done. While tvanta and lyabanta words indicate a samapta kriya, tumunanta refers to a uddesha kriya. Okay, see, they have saying asamapta kriya in a deep sense, but I would like to read it as samapta kriya because having done. Okay, it feels like a samapta kriya. They have called it asamapta kriya in the sense that is also ongoing and the other one is also, but this is first in that sense. Okay, so it's a little technical. Asamapta kriya is a little too technical, but for us it's a kriya that is finished first. That is how I would read it. Tumunanta refers to an uddesha kriya, intended kriya. So the primary kriya becomes the kriya that is carried out with the intent of doing the other tumunanta later. So patitum ichchati, in order to read he likes. So he likes with the goal of understanding, like that. Okay, to reading something
fruit
like
of an action.
Fruit, correct. Uddesha kriya. A kriya whose purpose is intended. So here the kriya that is not yet over is a little heavy to take because tvanta actually is the sense of a kriya that is over first. Okay. Okay, we'll take it. But if it is a shatranta, then a kriya that is not yet over and is concurrent with the primary kriya. We know that shatranta. They didn't talk about shatranta here. Interesting. A kriya whose purpose is intended, uddesha kriya, in the column of kriya. So that means what they are finally advising is, though things are verbs, in the column of kriya we are going to consider these tvantas, lebantas, tumunantas, shatrantas also as kriya vachakas. That's what they are hinting at in the end. Okay, in the category to which they belong is indicated in brackets as Tvanta, etc. In addition to that, they are identifying that it is not a thing, it's a Tvanta, etc. like that. They also have their own Kartru, Karma, etc. We have repeatedly seen this. Any subservient phrase with its own Kriyavachaka has its own Karta, Karma, etc. It has its own small circle of relationships. Okay, the words that come in the column named Kaha are Kartrupadani, and those are ending in Pratama Vibhakti, that we know, Kaha. Similarly, the words in the column Kam are Karma Padani ending in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay, Kam, Kim, Kam, all those things. Kaha, Ka, Kim, all those things are under Kaha. Okay, in the same way, the words in all other Vibhakti are also grouped under different columns. See, earlier they were doing question and answer, question and answer. Now they want to do a little bit like a table. Let us see what emerges. Kaha, Pratamantaha, Kam, Dvitiyantaha. Only one for Pratamanta extraction use Kaha or Ka or Kim. Also they should have said actually right here. Okay, I would have put slash and put the Strilinga and Apumsakalinga versions. Similarly here, Kam, Kam, Kim, like that. Kena, it's same for Napumsaka and Pullinga, but for Kaya in Strilinga. Kena, Kaya. Then Kasmai, Kasya, Sitayai, Kasmai, Sitayai.
Kasyai.
Kasyai, correct. Yakar. Kasmai, Kasyai is the alternative. Chaturthana, Kasmat, Kasya, Kasyaha, like that in Srilinga. So they have listed only the Pullinga variant. It will be a nice exercise for us to keep all the three lingas / listed so that we are aware. So Kada, Kutra, Saptamyanta, there is no Linga Veda there for that. It's locative. Okay, and now the table will emerge in the next slide. Okay, this is what they have done. A word in Shashti Vibhakti will be given along with the noun it is related to. So we know this. Shashti Vibhakti is not directly linked to the verb or the Kriya Vachaka. It is linked to the that which is possessed by it. For example, Dasharathasya Putraha means Dasharathasya is not related to the Kriya of the sentence. It's related to Putra. So Dasharathasya goes with Putra. Okay, like that. Okay. Sitayaha Patihi. So Sitayaha goes with Patihi. She is the possessor of the Pati Shabda. So the table containing Vakya Vishleshanam of the two shlokas above is as follows. So they did this Kriya and they put one row for the Aha Kriya Pada, all his what you call spokes of the Aha focal point Kriya. Okay, Kapidvaja and Pandava alternative names for Arjuna only as Visheshanas is Kaha, Kam, Hrishikesham, Idam Vakyam. Okay, Aha. See, Dvikarmaka. Aha. Hrishikesham Aha, Vakyam Aha. Idam is just Visheshana to Vakyam. That's why they listed it together. So Dvikarmaka sense is there in that. Pravrutte Shastra Sampate Kada Kutra. See, locative. Sati Saptami also can be taken. Upon also can be taken in that sense, but straightforward Saptami also can be taken. Okay, as the time locator of when this calling out happened. Okay, very nice. Then Drishtva Tvantam. See, they have listed here. Kapidvajaha again copied over. I don't know why they chose Kapidvajaha, because in the verse that was the closest here. Drishtva Kapidvajaha, they took Kapidvajaha. Okay, but you can take Pandavaha also here. You can put in bracket Arjunaha also here. Nothing wrong, because we are reusing the Karta. So Vyavasthitan Dhartarashtran. So Vyavasthitan is the Visheshana to Dhartarashtran, which is the primary karma. Okay, Bahuvachana, Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Then Udyamya Danuhu. Again Pandavaha. They just chose Pandava here instead of Kapidvaja. That is again due to proximity. Danurudyamya Pandavaha. See, they took Kapidvaja with that and Pandava with this to increase the color. They distributed the Visheshanas as different kartas in different places. And then Sthapaya is a directive. So Tvam is the Adhyakrita Kriyapada. Okay, so the directive is to Krishna. Tvam here points to Krishna. So and then Karma Pada for the Sthapana is the Ratham Sthapaya. So Ratha is the Karma Pada. Kasya Ratham, Mama Ratham, Me Ratham. So Me is the Shashti. Okay, the same way. Actually, that is the only Shashti here. No, here another Shashti. Madhye, kutra, kada, madhye, kutra. Actually, in this sense, it is kutra. Madhye is locative. There it is kada. Here it is kutra. Madhye, madhye kutra, senayoho ubayoho. Meets the two armies. So Shashti padas are linked this way. Nice. This is another good technique. I think makes the Anvaya Vakya Rachana easier. There are two main verbs in the shlokas above. We saw that. Okay. Sthapaya and aha. So that's why 1 and 2 numbering is given to that. So whenever there is no numbering, it's a subservient to the primary there. Drishtva, Udyamya, subservient. So this is under the quotes. So that's why it becomes a second sentence under the quotes. Iti, actually we have to read iti somewhere. Okay. Aha, kim aha, evam, iti aha. Idam aha. That's also there. Idam aha. That's also okay. All right. Aha said or spoke. This is Dvikarmaka Kriya. They have just, we had identified that. They listed, that's why number 1, number 2 there. Again, there is a reason why 1 and 2 are used there. Hence, there are two karma padas, Rishi Kesham and Idam Vakyam. Pravrutte Shasta Sampate. Here both words are in Saptami Vibhakti. This expression, the expression when the missiles were about to fall. Okay. Oh, okay. This is in the impending sense. This is something I had not read also. In the sense of impending thing, not something that is already happening. Okay. So Sampata here is not referring to the rattling of the sabers. It is referring to the eventual fall of the weapons as the war goes on. Okay. About to fall. See that impending fall of the vessels. So that's why Saptami here, they call it as Bhavalakshana Saptami, in the sense of that inevitable thing that is next about to happen. The Saptami Bhava has been used. Okay. In the imminent, that sense, in the imminent possibility of the missiles falling. Beautiful. Something new. Bhavalakshana Saptami. Something new to catch on to. So you will learn more about this in the coming lessons. For now, it is enough to know the meaning of such a phrase conveys. Okay, great. So then Anvaya Rachana is there. Mahipate, Sanjaya addressed to Dhritarashtra, aha, Kriyapadam, kaha, Kidrishaha, Pandavaha, Kammaha, Kimmaha. See here, one Karmapada has been taken out because Rishikesha is pulling a Kammaha. Vakyam is Napumsaka, so Kimmaha, Idam Vakyam Maha. Huh? See that careful switching of the Kam Kim. That is not to extract the two Karmapada varieties. It is to extract the fact that Rishikesha is Pullinga and Vakya is Napumsakalinga. That's all. Okay, it could have been Kamaha if it was some Stri that was addressed. So Kim Kritvaha Drishtva. So the Kritva is used to extract the Tvanta. And Punaha Kim Kritva Udyamya, Danuhu Udyamya, like that. So Kan Drishtva, Kada Drishtva, Atha. See, Atha at that time, that sense is pulled out as a temporal reference. Okay, Kada Drishtva, Atha Drishtva. Nice. Okay, so you guys can read all this and if there is any doubt, we can address that. So I think we have pretty much understood this flow now. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Shall I ask? In the first verse, Nabhascha Prithivim Chaiva. Prithivim in the second vibhakti.
Nabaha is in second vibhakti. Yes, yes. Nabaha is also in second vibhakti. Yeah. Actually, I don't know why Nabaha is missing in the table. Nabaha and Prithvi, they forgot to bring it in, looks like. Okay. So if you see in the Anvaya Vakya, we have brought out.
Previous one, sir.
It is in the previous.
Yeah, it is not here. Oh, previous one. Okay. See, you see here. You see here. Nabaha Prithvim Chayeva. Punaha Kam Vyanunadayan. Kam is in karma position. You see. Okay. Punaha Kam Prithvi, because Prithvi is Strilinga. Kam has been asked. Okay. Nabaha is Pullinga. Oh, Kam. No, it is Napumsaka. See, very clear. See how we learn. Nabaha is Napumsaka because Kim Vyanunadayan is there. It is not Kam Vyanunadayan. So because Kim is there, so Nabas Shabda must be Napumsaka. Okay. So Nabaha is Dvitiya Ekavachana Napumsakalinga Nabas Shabda. Not an easy one.
It is Napumsakalinga.
Now we learn. Now because of Kim I learned it is Napumsaka. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
For a while, no. We guys will make a mistake. We may not remember Nabaha as Napumsaka. We may say Kam Vyanunadayan. Not a great error. Linga Viveka is even the most Panditas have Linga Brahma. So okay, unless Amara Kosha and all are like accessible instantly, Linga Jnana is something that is not easy to come by. Okay, so especially these Halanta Shabdas, very difficult to locate their Linga. Okay, so I think we can move forward. All right.
How come Nabaha becomes Dvitiya Vibhakti?
Its declension is like that, Bhagini. It is a Nabas Shabda, Sakaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. It declines that way. See, the same thing. See, Palam Pale Palani, Palam Pale Palani. Right?
Yes.
You are not arguing about Palam, you are arguing about Nabaha. Nabaha also will have Nabaha in Pratama, Nabaha in Dvitiya.
The Palam is a noun which ends with isn't it?
Ends with but its Pratama Vibhakti Shabda is also
Okay. Yeah.
Same way Nabaha repeats.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is Palam. Okay.
See, Nabaha, Nabhamsi, something like that. It will be Nabha Shabda. Nabhamsi. I remember almost Sakaranta Shabdas end in Nabhamsi like that.
It is like Manas, right?
Manas. How does Manas decline, Bhagini?
Manas. Manasi.
Manasi. Very good. So Nabaha, Nabasi, Nabhamsi. So Manaha, Manasi, Manamsi. Very good. Very good. And same duplicates in Dvitiya. Manaha, Manasi, Manamsi, like that. Okay.
But these are all the exceptions, isn't it?
They are all Sakaranta standards. Not exceptions. They are Sakaranta standards. Sakaranta Napumsakalinga standard flows. Except we don't go so far. We are in Rama Sita Pala stuck there.
Okay.
All right. So I think we will start tomorrow with the Sandhis. So we are starting a new set of Sandhis. Very interesting Visarga Sandhi. There is so many Visarga Sandhis we have encountered. We now almost know how to recognize them. We just need to learn the rules now. See, recognizing and splitting a Sandhi is easier than forming one. Okay, when we split, we know the post transformed form, so we can reverse it easily. But constructing, we need to know the rules because we don't know whether we should do Utva, Lopa, Rutva, or Sattva. All that confusion comes to us unless some prototypes we remember. Best way to remember is some prototype examples. Then those prototypes helps us to reconstruct the rules. Anyway, Samskrita Bharati will teach us through examples. So probably our brain also will register the prototypes. So we will do this tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Let's gather back and yes.
That is required only when we form sentences of our own, isn't it?
Yes, Bhagini. Yes, Bhagini.
So this Uddeshya Kriya and Samapta Kriya, I suddenly got one sentence, one verse from this Ramayana which says where Kumbhakarna asks Varam from the god and they know he is going to ask something great. So Saraswati does a trick in his tongue and instead of he asking Nirdaivatva Echaya Nidram Avranita, I just remembered this particular thing.
Very nice.
So like it is the intention is one and what came out of his mouth is another one. So these can we equate this to these two usage?
You can say one thing, do one thing. It looks like you will be able to quickly research and summarize it in WhatsApp for us. Okay. So you just pick it up, pull out the verse and pick it up, and if you can figure out if you get the material, if you don't worry. If you can get the material and illustrate, it will help us to study that and understand this. Okay.
Okay, I can't even trace where I read this, but this was very, very long time. But suddenly it came to my
No,
mind
no,
when
no.
it
Don't
said
worry.
in
If you can hunt it down, don't spend too much time. 5 minutes. If you can't search it out, forget it. Okay. But it is good. I think what you said is correct. This play of Kavis with these words is there deeply embedded in stories. For example, Ashwattamo Kunjarah Mrutah some. Hataha. Ashwattamo Kunjara Hataha, like that Yudhishthira announces, and Krishna blows the conch exactly in the Kunjara place. Okay. And then Drona listens to that, thinks Ashwattama is killed. This kind of pituri is there in Sanskrit.
Yes.
It's fun. We don't need to overread into that. We should just take the fun with that and move on. And all that. But finally, what we have to see is what was the larger dharmic need. Okay, whether that larger dharmic need was met by this what you call subtle adharmas is the question. Okay, so there is some lesson there. Subtle adharmas become essential for larger dharmas. Don't get confused. Just think what is big, what is small, and do the smaller adharma if you have to protect the bigger dharma. What a beautiful lesson there. Okay. All right.
These
So
dharmas are only to those who did not follow dharma.
that this larger adharma was to be destroyed. So the small adharmas were, even Krishna, the avatara, is put in the position of conducting those by Vyasa. From the same mouth, we Bhagavad Gita came, but then from the same mouth, the same conch was blown.
Yeah.
Funny, but we should take the practical lessons from those. Okay. All right. So let us do a prayer for today. Sahana vavatu sahanau vunaktu sah viryam karavavahai tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om shanti shanti om. Vah ekadashavadane punarmilamah. Namo namah.
धन्यवाद